How can you use a link in HTML web pages? And if you are also searching that kind of video and you are in the right video, I'll teach you to create link in HTML web pages. So hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So now I'm showing you my computer screen. You have to follow all the steps, and if you have still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. So here is my computer screen, and now I'm going to teach you how can you use the link in HTML web pages. So this is too much easy. Just I'm giving a title, and I'm just giving demo link test. Okay, so I'm closing the title tag. So from here inside the body I'm just using just I'm creating a UL. Okay, and I'm closing this one, and from here I'm just creating a list. So this one is home. Okay, oh sorry, it should be list. So I'm creating another photo link also. Okay, now you can see there is two link. If I minimize my text editor, and if I open the index.html, just index.html, now you can see this is paragraph, right? So okay, just wait for a moment. This is image.html. Image.html, where is, yeah, this one is image.html, and now you can see there is two list available inside my web page, right? So how can I put the link here? So in the home I am just giving a link, so I should to give only a href ref, and from here I should to give the web pages, or you can give the link also index.html. I have, and that's why I'm giving index.html, and you have to close this one, and from here I'm just closing this one, /a. Okay, now I'm saving it, and now if I refresh this one, you can see there is a link, right? And I'm creating the another just wait for a moment, maybe there is another link also available right here. So from here just I'm creating another page also. So just I'm creating HTML and head, title, photo, link. Okay, I'm closing the title, and I'm closing the head also. Now I'm starting body, and I have to write something here, so I am putting h1 tag here. This is photo page. Okay, now I'm closing this one, h1. Now I'm closing the body tag also. Now I'm closing the HTML tag also. Okay, now I'm saving this one inside in my desktop, and I'm just giving the name photo.html. Now you can see I have already saved this one. So I want to use the image also, img src. If you don't img source, and from here I think there is an image. Okay, okay, now you can see there is a image available inside my desktop. So I am just giving 1.jpg, and I'm closing this one. Okay, now if I want to give a link inside the photo, now just I have to write a ref, href, then inside the double inverted comma, and here I should to give the link So I have already created photo.html. Now I'm giving a link to the photo, and now I'm closing the a tag here, a, and now I'm saving it by pressing Ctrl plus F. Now if I refresh this one, just wait for a moment. If I refresh this one, now you can see there is two links available, right? If I click in the home, now you can see this is telling me that this is paragraph. Now this is opening the index.html. If I go to back and if I click in the photo is opening, right? So this is the amazing, and hoping that you understand to how can you put the link inside the web pages using HTML. So if you still any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. That's it. Hoping that you understand to use link in HTML web pages using HTML tags. Then thank you so much for watching this video once again, and I'll meet with you on another video. And but in the last, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you on another video. Goodbye. See you again.